If you're wondering how to detect zero-day vulnerabilities with Tenable, this video has exactly what you need. By the end, you'll know how Tenable helps identify threats before they can do damage, keeping your system secure. Stick around because we're also going to dive into some exclusive features that make the software incredibly effective, and stay tuned to learn about a free trial offer you don't want to miss. So, let's jump right in. Tenable provides a comprehensive suite of tools that help you detect zero-day vulnerabilities. Zero-day vulnerabilities are those critical security holes in software that hackers can exploit before developers even know they exist. Here's where Tenable comes in to help you stay ahead of the curve. Next thing, Tenable's main tool for identifying these vulnerabilities is called Tenable.io. This cloud-based platform scans your network in real time and continuously identifies any weaknesses, including zero-day vulnerabilities. The beauty of Tenable.io is that it uses real-time vulnerability data from a massive community of security experts and threat researchers. This community-driven model makes it easier for Tenable to identify threats that haven't been documented yet, providing you with an early warning system. The fourth thing to mention is Tenable's use of predictive analytics. The software doesn't just look at existing vulnerabilities, but analyzes patterns to predict where zero-day vulnerabilities might appear next. It can use historical threat data, security bulletins, and intelligence feeds to identify potential risk areas within your network. This proactive approach significantly reduces the time between a zero-day exploit and the discovery of a patch, which is crucial for minimizing damage. Next, Tenable also leverages its vulnerability management system, which is key to identifying and patching zero-day vulnerabilities. It scans your network continuously, looking for vulnerabilities that haven't been patched yet, including those zero-day vulnerabilities. It uses the most up-to-date vulnerability feeds, so it's always on top of emerging threats. Another big advantage of Tenable is the integration with other security systems. The software allows you to set up a centralized security infrastructure where you can combine Tenable's vulnerability management with other tools like SIEM, security information, and event management. This integration makes it easier to monitor, analyze, and respond to security incidents across your entire network. Next, let's talk about Tenable's user-friendly interface. Even if you're not a cybersecurity expert, Tenable is easy to navigate. You get detailed reports and insights, including high-level overviews and drill downs, making it simple to understand the security posture of your entire network. Plus, Tenable's integration with existing workflows ensures that you don't have to completely overhaul your system to start detecting zero-day vulnerabilities. Finally, if you're wondering how you can get started, we've got an exclusive offer for you. You can try Tenable completely free with our extended trial by clicking the first link in the description. This offer gives you access to all the features so you can see for yourself how Tenable can help you stay ahead of cyber threats. Don't miss out. This offer is only available for a limited time. With Tenable, you're equipped to detect zero-day vulnerabilities and secure your network before hackers can exploit those critical gaps. Try it for free today and take the first step toward a safer, more secure infrastructure.